I haven't filmed a sit-down video since 2013. Got my coffee, got some new clothes. I think we're ready. Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing kind of thing. It is all going to be from Shein, however you say it. It is that online website that I'm sure many of you guys have been to. It has a lot of cheap clothing. It's going up in price, but I'll let it slide because they're very good prices. So I'm kind of just going to be doing my first impressions, letting you guys know what I thought it was going to be like and then what it is. And it's also going to be a try-on haul, so we got the best of both worlds, my first impressions, and what it looks like on, which I think is really important when you watch these kind of videos. Also, I wanted to say that I have ordered from this brand before, and I was very impressed the first time I ordered it. I have about 4 items that I feel like I regularly wear from my recent, not even recent, just my past purchase, which is I believe last August. So it's been a good year since I've ordered from them. I'll insert a few pictures of some of my favorite items. I have a couple of striped things. I have a black scalloped dress, and they're all just very good everyday items that I wear around school, like around college, or just on my everyday basis because they're comfy, they're cute, they're stylish. They're not the greatest quality in the world, but when you're paying for under $10 for items, we can't complain that much. What I do when I go on this website is I find things that I like. It's very overwhelming because there's so many things, but I find what I like and then I go onto it and I look at the reviews. So I make sure that there's a minimum of like 3 reviews because I don't trust those robots sometimes. They can just leave comments like, loved it, exclamation mark. So I make sure there are at least pictures of people that have bought these items. If there are no reviews, I most likely will not purchase it unless it's like $3 and I don't feel like it's gonna be a complete waste of money. So I have not opened this yet and we're just gonna see. I could not be recording and I would never know. All right, so we're just gonna rip this bad boy open. Nice, okay. I like what I see. They're like Ziploc bags, okay. All right, so the first item I bought is a 2-piece set, which I'm so excited, and especially since it's my college colors. I go to UNC Chapel Hill, so we have Carolina blue and white, basically. Black, I mean, it's mainly just Carolina blue. But this 2-piece I have high hopes for. I'm really hoping it's good. So first impressions are it looks like what I thought it would. It's not the best quality. The top is very stretchy, which I can go with that. I think that's very nice because the 2-piece sets come in one size. I think that having nice like elasticity to the tops and bottoms are good because you might be a small, but you might be a small up here or just down here, and you don't know if it's going to be both of them. It is semi-sheer material. I mean, if you wear nude undergarments, you could get away with it. But just keep that in mind. Oh yeah, I forgot that I got a little outside of my comfort zone when I shopped on this website. So the first one kind of looks like an apron. So this is a mustardy white gingham. It's like a little overall thing. It's a dress. It's not a short overall. And this is a little bit sheer, but I can work with it. I think I can work with it. So next I also got another overall sort of thing. I don't remember if this was a skirt overall or if it was shorts. Okay, it's a skirt, and these actually button. They don't latch on like the other ones, so you actually have to button these, which I think could be better. I don't really mind. So this is kind of like a corduroy material, not as thick as real corduroy, but I love this color because it's not too pale of a pink that it washes me out, but it's a nice color that can transition from the spring to the fall. I think this would be really nice with maybe something military green, of course white or yellow or even navy or any of those colors could go with it, but I like pieces that can transition well between seasons. What is that? I do not remember getting this. What is it? Yikes. I think this is the bodysuit I got. Okay, so it is a bodysuit. However, I just don't know how that's gonna work. So this is more of the quote-unquote scandalous items I bought. I was planning on wearing this maybe with some high-waisted jeans, high-waisted skirts, shorts, any of that, and if it is too much, I mean, this would be a nice piece that I could literally just throw over a jacket if it is a little bit too much, but we shall see. The material is really soft though, and it's not thin, which is nice with these because when you have an open back, you never know if you're going to be wearing a bra with it, so having it not super thin can be a little helpful. Okay. So it's a little wrinkly, but I mean, it's been fit in this bag for a little bit because I wanted to film it, so I've just been staring at it in my corner for probably a week now. But this is just a nice little pleather skirt. It's not very stretchy, but that's okay because you kind of want pleather skirts to be a little bit more fitting. We'll have to see. It's very thin pleather the more I feel it. Alright, I'm gonna interrupt my past self here and say that I was right. This is not very good material. I feel like 2 moves later into a night where perhaps I'm, you know, dancing or something, this would be in 2 pieces. It's not the best quality and I feel like it can tear at any moment. Okay, this next thing, I'm really hoping it does not make me look like a banana who ran into a zebra. So this is another 2-piece that I thought was so cute. I actually saw a blogger wear it, so I know that it has potential. If it looks good on me is another question. Oh, these are so cute. So it comes with these like parachute pants, which once again, nice elasticity we got going on. But the pattern is a little wild. I'm more of that girl who I think stripes and polka dots are the most pattern my wardrobe gets, and this still has stripes, but they're going in all sorts of directions. All the directions. Alright, that's good. The next one already feels pretty thick, which I like. Oh, it's not thick, it was just folded up. This looks much cheaper in person. Okay, so this is just a long sleeve white top. I'm not in love with the texture of it. The sleeves I thought were gonna be really cool. They kind of look like I just knit them and threw them on the shirt, but I love some good fringe, so maybe this will look better on. This was $4, guys. $4, so I was not afraid of splurging on myself a little bit. Okay, this is cute. This is cute, simple, thin material. I mean, I don't care that it's that thin of material. I'm okay with that for $4. But it has these cute little scallops. I think that this is just a nice little piece. You know, throw this on over basically any bottoms that you own and it's a really easy outfit. And this last item, what? Oh, okay. Remember how I say the only pattern I get is stripes? Well, here you go. Oh, that's a cute little neckline. So this is just a baby doll crop top. I have such a long torso that this is definitely going to fit more like a crop top, but hey, anything high-waisted in this will look so cute together once it's ironed out a little bit. The material is some of the nicer ones that I've experienced from them. I also can appreciate a neckline that's not just, you know, a scoop neck. Alrighty, so that's it for this video. For all of that, I spent $82, including the shipping, including the tax. I believe that this website has like $5 off, $10 off, that sort of thing, about 90% of the time. If I were you guys, I would recommend taking my skill, my technique, my tactic that I mentioned at the beginning of the video of just scrolling down, doing your research on each item. It takes little to no time, but it's definitely worth it to do that. My camera decided to just shut off. So rude. But yes, feel free to subscribe, comment, like. So just let me know if you would like to see more of these kind of videos, maybe from Zaful or Pretty Little Thing, or maybe just how I tackle the crazy world that is Forever 21, because we all know how overwhelming it can be in there. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. I will be posting many more soon, hopefully, probably on a weekly basis, because I want to make sure that they are good quality and that I am proud of the material that I'm posting out here. So just let me know if you like this kind of video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.